Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Jump in with us as we wrap up May with the latest construction updates, along with some ride attraction reveals at the upcoming Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas. As we take flight, we again are greeted by Frisco's longtime residents. It's time to move along. Fly with us as we soar over the park, as we start here in the north side near Fields Parkway and make our way to the front of the park entrance and hotel. Starting here at the hotel, a good reminder that Universal will open hotel reservations and ticket packages to the public in late 2025, with the hotel boasting over 300 rooms to accommodate overnight guests. Departing the hotel that continues to progress, we can see here in the parking lot the addition of the grass berms, which is consistent through most of our park's parking lots. On the screen, we see a new back-of-house structure going in place behind the southeastern part of Spongebob Land. It is likely to be used for warehouse, storage, or staging. As we venture into the wild lands of Jurassic World, we are somewhat disappointed to see that the Mack Ride's Young Star coaster has yet to go vertical from the last time we've been here, as it's still laid out in standby mode in the storage lot. Making its debut in the park is a Zamperla jumping tower, which will be a double feature in the North Jurassic World plot. Here you can see the first tower has gone up, with the quad ride vehicle attached. Jurassic World, we take some time here in the center of the park to watch the crane move concrete from the western part of Jurassic Land to the Minions Waterway attraction that we will later see in the video. It's actually quite fascinating for everyday Joes like us to watch something move from point A to point B, obviously with the crane. On the east side of the Puss in Boots land, and on the right side of your screen, we see the ride queue and attraction footing in place, ready to install the Zamperla Flying Carousel, or the fast spinny swings as the kids call them. Staying with Puss in Boots, we see the stage set for him and his friends as the entertainment venue takes shape. They'll bring us both character meet and greets and performances. As we look southwest across the park, you can see the prominent rides and attractions taking shape that will complement the hotel. Rhonda's Trollfest Express coaster, King Trollec's Dance Party stage, Minions Waterway, and the soon-to-be-installed Crustaceous coaster. Looking south into the Minion Waterway, take notice of the black tarps. Down below along those walls is where the crane was transporting the concrete loads to. Heading east out of the Minions Waterway, we take notice of the new ride being set up in Spongebob Land, the Zamperla Rockin Tug, a back and forth rotational ride similar to the Caddo Lake barge that you'll find at Six Flags Over Texas. Back in the water at Minions, we noticed the pilings in for the Zamperla Demolition Derby, a kid-friendly spin and jerk ride. Looking back into the hotel from the park, we can see the 5 floors complete, which again will host 300 rooms. On the roof, we can see the tracks installed for the finished facade to be installed. Making our final turn into the park in the Trolls Land, we pass over Rhonda's Trollfest Express Coaster. Make sure to check out this in-depth video on the attraction within our video content. Continuing ahead, take notice on the screen the Trollify Me and the Trollite buildings, both trademark brands that will take shape in this area. The second marquee ride in Trolls, the Zamperla Zomba Tower 8, has its queue taking shape in its form primed for install. Perhaps next time when we visit in 10 days, this will be vertical. As we go through the park, this time with a northeastern point of view, take notice how the structures continue to build out, new ones come online, and footings and pads for rides progress. With the park dried out from our last visit in April, the pace has quickened to get back on track for the May 22nd, 2026 park opening. You ask, we answer. Some of our fans asked us, how are the roads progressing around the resort? Well, let's take a journey around the perimeter of the park and take a look. Well, as we wrap up our flight today, put our stamp on May, and head into the summer, we want to thank you for tuning in with us as we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Stay tuned as we bring you our next Universal update in the near future. Before we head down to Orlando to catch the buzzworthy coverage happening in Florida. Thanks again, and let's go!